Alright guys, I warmly welcome you back once again to the Jofos IT services on YouTube. Please, in this lesson I'm going to reveal to you one platform that you can buy and sell cheap data bundle. One platform that you can register as a data bundle agent. So this particular platform is a WhatsApp platform. The only WhatsApp platform that you can get cheap data bundle at a very low price. You can get 1 gig data bundle as low as 5 cedis, as low as 4 cedis, 95 pesos, that you can sell to people and make money out of it. So if this is your first time watching this video, if this is your first time listening to me, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification button for all. Alright, so without wasting much time, let me tell you some of the things that you can get on that platform. Now, many people are searching for these platforms to register themselves as data bundle agents, but they are finding it difficult to get it. So I'm here this morning, this evening, this afternoon to reveal to you this legit and this one and only cheapest data bundle selling platform. The only platform that you can register yourself as a data bundle agent and start buying and selling data bundle. As I said earlier, you can get 1 gig like 4 cedis, 95 pesos. You can get 2 gig like 10 cedis, 50 pesos, something like that. As you can see on your screens, those are the price list for agents that are working on that platform. So if you want to join this particular platform, you only need to register for this platform. It's not something free. If you want to become a data bundle agent, if you really want to start this business, then you need to register for this particular platform. Please, let me tell you something. Due to the high rate of unemployment, you need some kind of skills, you need some kind of side businesses that you can do to at least make some money online daily. It's not only government work that you will do to make money online. And I have realized that many people are in the house suffering. They don't know what to do. They don't have any business to do. So I'm here to introduce this data bundle business to them as one of the most profitable businesses that you can do now in Ghana, in Nigeria, everywhere you find yourself. So those are the price lists for the MTN data bundle packages. We have the data bundle packages and then the mega bundle packages. So when you join this platform, when you register for this platform, you will be able to have access to all the data bundle packages on MTN. So the delivery time is between 10 to 30 minutes. The delivery time is between 10 to 30 minutes. It's not like those other platforms, those websites that when you place order, even after a day before the bundle will arrive. It's not like those platforms that when you place an order, you receive it after 1 day. No, it is not like that. This particular platform is not like those ones. There was this platform that I placed order for data bundle, and it took me 3 days to receive that particular bundle that I paid for. This WhatsApp platform or this data bundle platform is not like that. So the registration is only 40 cedis. The registration is only 40 cedis. If you are able to pay your 40 cedis, you join this WhatsApp platform. So if you want to join this platform and get 1 gig data bundle at 4 cedis 95 pesos, then kindly contact this number that is appearing on your screens. Call this number 0540 620 528. I take it again, 0540 620 528. If you contact this number, then you can register for this particular platform successfully, and you join this platform without any stress and without any problem. Now, somebody may ask, is it only MTN packages that they have on that particular platform? And the answer is no, it is not only MTN packages that they have on that particular platform. They also have Airtel Tigo packages. They also have Airtel Tigo packages on this particular WhatsApp platform. So the Airtel Tigo packages, you can get the Airtel Tigo packages as low as 4 cedis, 60 pesos. You can get the Airtel Tigo packages on this particular platform as low as 4 cedis, 60 pesos. Please don't miss this opportunity. This is one of the businesses that can fetch you more money. This is one of the businesses that you can do, and you'll be able to make it out of it. Please take an advantage of this opportunity now. If you delay, maybe the time you want to register for this particular platform, the registration is going to be 100 Ghana cedis. Please don't waste this opportunity. Make sure that you take an advantage of this opportunity. As I said earlier, the registration is only 40 cedis. The registration is only 40 cedis. The Airtel Tigo packages, you receive them instantly. The Airtel Tigo packages, there is nothing like between 10 to 40 minutes or 10 to 30 minutes. No. Immediately you place order for the Airtel Tigo packages, you receive them instantly. But for the MTN, you receive it within 10 to 30 minutes. Within 10 to 30 minutes. Please, find a place. Try to get a place or try to secure a place for yourself on this platform. Try to secure a place for yourself on this particular platform. Be part of the great agents of data bundle that we have in the system. It's not everybody that can register you. It's not every platform that can register you to become an agent. There are some other platforms out there. If you want to register as an agent, they are going to charge you 100 cedis. They are going to charge you 80 cedis, 150 cedis, 200 cedis, even 250 cedis. But this platform, they are charging only 40 cedis. Pay these 40 cedis once and become an agent forever. Nothing can stop you. After joining this platform, you don't have to be paying any other registration fee again. You only have to place your order for your orders to be delivered. Please join now before it is too late. Had I known, it's always at last. Had I known, it's always at last. Once again, I want to take the number again. If you want to register, if you are interested in registering for this particular portal or this particular platform, kindly contact the number that I'm going to give to you, 0540 620 528. If you contact this number, you will be able to register as an agent on this data bundle website. Don't forget, I said on that platform, they have the MTN data bundle packages where the 1 gig is as low as 4 cedis 95 pesos. And the Airtel Tigo packages, The 1 gig is as low as 4 cedis, 60 pesos. Please, you cannot get this anywhere. So take advantage of this. Pay your 40 cedis, join this platform, and begin to make money, because this is one of the quickest way that you can make money online at the comfort of your home without any stress and without any problem. So those are the packages appearing on your screen. The aim of GeForce IT Service is to make sure that our followers get something doing. We don't want a situation whereby our followers will be in the house suffering. They don't even have money to buy food. They don't have money to buy soup and all that. We don't want to see those kind of things. That is why we are always trying. We are always finding means and ways to help our followers to also have a good standard of living. Our followers cannot just follow us and be on empty stomach. No. Please take advantage of this, so that one day you say, with the help of GeForce IT Services, you have been able to have something doing. You have been able to get something doing that can fetch money into your pockets daily without any stress, without any problem. So until then, I say bye-bye. Let's meet in our next tutorials on data bundle. Bye-bye.